How to enable theft protection on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable theft protection on Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on passport and security. And here, once you are inside the passport and security, simply scroll down and tap on privacy. And now here in the privacy section, you can see the option labeled as theft protection. So simply tap on that. And here is what you can do in this section. So here you can simply turn on the theft detection lock. You can turn on the offline device lock, and if you want you can turn on the remote lock as well. And that's it. That's how you can enable theft protection on Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.